All right, everybody, welcome back to the discount. I hope you're all having a wonderful week. Well, if you were short, I bet you are having a great week. We have a lot to go over today. I want to do a quick update here on Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is a bona fide crash in Bitcoin that has rebounded quite well. And I want to point out something significant here. BTC USDT is the perp, the futures contract on Bitcoin. Now, notice how it's scam wicked all the way down to about 25,150, while BTC USD, just the regular spot chart, only came down to 26,300. This is something to note because everybody got liquidated down here, and now they are bouncing it in the other direction for the time being. Now, I don't know, honestly, how long this rally is going to hold up. Something to note as well, the ES futures, and we are short the SPY and the SMH with puts. They are up over 60 and 70% right now, but it just broke this significant uptrend, and I would not be surprised to see some type of retest and further correction in traditional markets. This is the S&P 500 ES futures contracts. So back to Bitcoin, we were saying that, well, up here, you did not want to see it get below here. This was the other line of defense. And then everybody and their mother was watching for this hit off this very important trend line. Let me clean this up real quick. It was going to hit off this trend line beautifully, just like it had the first, the second, the third time. The fourth time, it did not. It crashed right through and sought liquidity at, again, this 26,300 level and all the way down to almost 25,000 even. Unless you were short from up here, which we were for day trade, swing trade, very short term, and we took profits right here. But unless you were short, right now, there's just nothing to do for me. We tried a light swing trade position starting out at 28,000, and then again, we took it at about 27,000. And as you can see on the futures contract, they just went ahead and liquidated everybody or stopped them out to bounce in the other direction. Well, if it was not the futures contract, you would still be in this position. So anyone who still has a position that's not in a futures contract, you want to see some type of rebound in here, and you want to see it recapture this channel up at about that 28,000 level. That would be absolutely a take profit here if you are still long, and you let the rest ride. I think that there is a good chance that markets can rebound here. However, that is pretty optimistic. I think at this point, what we're going to do is watch and see how it interacts in between 27,500 and 28,000 even. If we want to go ahead and pull the short trade once again for more downside, I think honestly there should be more downside on the table for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum, now, we were saying that this is supposed to be a catch-up trade for Bitcoin. Obviously, in a crash scenario, everything is off the table. We do have some news coming out tomorrow about ETF futures getting approved and SEC rulings. So we could get and look how well this just bounced off this significant trend line. I had drawn these trend lines in prior to this move even happening. And look, it closed above this spot right here at about 1,685 and bounced perfectly right here at about 1,550. So I'm going to be looking for some type of retracement up here to the scene of the crime, right? That area where it broke out. And let's see, again, if we could get some more downside scenario. We're going to update everybody in the Telegram channel. As always, it's completely free, but it's going to take a lot for these markets to come back. Obviously, crypto is extremely volatile, so we could see this in one day, but it's going to take a lot to reclaim this and then get back above at this point, especially with, again, traditional markets being as weak as they are. And good thing we are short on that side. So one thing I'm going to be doing tonight is looking over my trades. We partnered up with Coin Market Manager. It's the #1 automated journaling and analytics tool for crypto traders. You simply connect your exchange via API, and after you're done trading for the day, the week, the month, you simply log in and you analyze your trades to see how you can get better, where your wins are, where your losses are, How big was your risk reward? Is your risk reward in line? And so on and so forth. So head on over to Coin Market Manager. The link is in the description. You get 14 days for free. So give that a try if you are trading crypto futures. Last but not least, we are trading crypto futures on Femex. It is a US friendly crypto trading platform. You can get up to 100x leverage, putting in a small amount of money to get a lot out of it with nice risk reward setups for swing trades that we post in the Telegram channel. The link to Femex is in the description as well. Head on over there and let us know if you have any questions via email or Twitter. So again, we're sitting on hands here. There is no reason to rush in to anything else. We will update everybody if we get some type of big retracement up into here for another short trade. Now that they already shown their cards and closed daily right here, that's a pretty bearish signal. So we're going to be definitely on the lookout for some shorts. And of course, we do have our spot longs on Bitcoin from 19,000. It did break this trend, and this is really the last line of defense. We really don't want to see Bitcoin get much below here, or we're going to be in trouble. So keep an eye out for this pivot point right here. That is all you need to be watching out for if you are long. And if you are short, you don't want to see this area get reclaimed. That is a tall order. Honestly, I don't see that happening, but let's see what we get. And again, Ethereum just completely took everyone to the woodshed that was long. We're still holding spot Ethereum, but again, there's nothing in the way of a futures trade for me at the moment. I'll really want to see this retracement tag the scene of the crime at that 236. It's at about 1,831, and we could be setting up for a downtrend. So here's the Telegram channel. Again, completely free. Head on over here. We're updating everyone on our new trades, our swing trades. We write a morning memo to cover traditional markets for day trades. We have a live day trading room as well. The link to the live day trading room is in the channel. So head on over here. It's completely free, nothing to lose. Stay safe out there. Manage your risk accordingly first before looking at reward. And we will see you on the charts.